This is my homemade mini Vespa. I made it all from scratch. You can check out the build in my previous video. Since that video I added a muffler because it was way too noisy. It's much better now. And added some small things like headlights, fender, some details. You can see the result now. I hope you guys all like this project. We will do many more projects, so please subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.